Base verb means first form of verb. So which form of verb are we going to use in simple present tense? We use first form of verb, that is the base verb in simple present tense. Like come, go, see, do, win, swim, help, choose. These are all first form of verb. Now students, you can see the examples. She washes clothes. I go to the market. He runs fast. They drive slowly. These are the few examples. Use of sorry. Beta, please remember simple present tense is the most confusing tense. So you have to be very careful when you are using the simple present tense. Because in simple present tense, we use S or ES with the base verb only with a singular subject. Only with a singular subject. Like he, she, it, Ali, any one person. Okay, for example, if I say Rohan learns, I learn, they learn. Now students, uh, if I say Rohan and Faisal learn, okay, we will not put then S with it because we are talking about two subjects. One is Rohan and one is Faisal. Okay. So we are going to put S or ES with a singular subject with one person, not with more than one person. But if we are using I, remember one thing, you never put S or ES with I. I do my work, I go to the gym, I watch TV, I read a letter. Whatever you are doing, you are never going to put S or ES with I. Remember this thing. Okay? Now, few examples. Jamil watches television. The teacher teaches pronouns. I read an interesting story. The man scares a little boy. Now, Jamil is singular, so we have put ES with the verb. Teacher is one person, we are talking about one teacher, so teaches, ES. If I put the teachers, if I say the teachers, then it will be teach. Then ES will not come. Okay? With I, we never put S or ES. I read, I go, I learn, I write, I swim, I complete, I help. We never put S or ES. The man scares. Man is singular, so we have put scares. If the men, if I put ME and men, then S will not come. The men scare a little boy. Okay? Do you understand? No. Any confusion till here? I repeat again. In simple present tense tells about our action, our daily routine work, our habits and universal truth. We put base verb, that is the first form of verb in this tense. I'm going to ask you people, okay, with S or ES. S or ES are put with the base verb only with singular subject, with one person subject and not with the plural subject. Now negative and interrogative sentence.
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes.
Teacher, I want to ask that that you were telling that us to write what to on our what on our rough copies.
On rough copies, the slides which I'm showing you, important points like the definition, present tense. It shows our daily routine work, habits, and the helping verbs, the formulas. We use first form of verb in it. Like I'm telling you, negative and interrogative sentences. What is a negative sentence which has not in it? And what is an interrogative sentence which ends with a question mark? Okay? Okay, Rohan?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. A negative sentence is a sentence which has not in it. Okay. An interrogative sentence is a sentence which ends with a question mark. Which ends with a question mark. In simple present tense, we use the helping verbs do or does in negative and interrogative sentences. Do is used with a plural subject, write it down. Does is used with a singular subject. We put do with a plural subject and we put does with a singular subject. Okay? Sarah is singular, so we will put does with Sarah. They is plural, so we put do with they. It is singular, so we put does with it. We is plural, so we put do with we. Okay? Sarah does not like apples. Do they go to Murray? Does it rain in summer? We do not learn the essay. Remember, students, helping verbs are used in negative and interrogative sentences. Okay? We use helping verbs in negative and interrogative sentences. We do not put helping verb in positive sentence. Now, let us write an example. I watch TV. I do not watch TV. Do I watch TV? These are the three sentences. Positive means affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Now look at this example. Sarah does not like apple. Its positive sentence will be Sarah likes apples. Sarah does not like apples. Does Sarah like apples? When we are making a sentence into a question, you have to take this does before the subject. So does Sarah, not will be cut. Does Sarah like apples? Do they go to Murray? It will be they go to Murray. They do not go to Murray. Do they go to Murray? I write an essay. I do not write an essay. Do I write an essay? Jamil listens to the teacher. Jamil does not listen to the teacher. Does Jamil listen to the teacher? Okay, I read newspaper. I do not read newspaper. Do I read newspaper? These are the three forms: positive, negative, and interrogative. Any confusion? Raise your hands if you have any confusion. Who will explain what is simple present tense? Ji Mohammed bin Faisal. Beta, I've unmuted you. Mohammed. Ji Riyad.
Simple present tense tells what which you do in your daily routine.
Correct. We use which form of verb?
First,
First form of verb. Correct. Good, Riyan. Can you give me two examples?
I go to the market. She washes the clothes.
Good, Riyan. Okay. Yes. Who will tell me when do we put S or ES? Rohan. When do we put S or ES? Rohan. Unmute your mic, Rohan. G beta.
What?
G. Beta, when do we put S or ES?
S with a singular and es with a plural.
No. S or ES both comes with singular and they do not come with a plural subject. Okay? Okay? Like go will become goes, sleep will become sleeps, watch will become watches, do will become does. Do you understand? Okay. Now, from the girl side, Nurul Iman. Nur Fatma Katus, you tell me what is a negative sentence. Nur Fatma, what is a negative sentence?
Negative sentence or a sentence which we use not in a sentence.
In which we use not. Good, beta. In which we use not. What are the helping verbs in simple present tense? Helping verbs. Ji beta, what are the helping verbs in simple present tense?
Es and s.
No, helping verbs. Who will? Yes, Momin. What are the helping verbs in simple present tense? With headings, you can note it down. Na, ki these are the helping verbs. What are the helping verbs in simple present tense, Momin? Beta, it's do not or does not. Do not or does not. Note it down. Helping verbs are do not.
Yes, teacher.
Or does not. I was asking you what are the helping verbs in simple present tense. Do not or does not. Okay, do comes, it is written on the slide also. Do is used with the plural subject. Does is used with the singular subject. Okay, do comes with the plural subject. Does comes with a singular subject. Okay, you understand? Now, I'll ask a sentence. You have to change it into negative and interrogative. Let us do it. So, first I will ask Momin. Yes, Momin, I'll give you a sentence. Unmute your mic, beta. Yes. Now, Momin, I give you a sentence and you have to change it into negative and interrogative. I go to the market. I go to the market. What will be negative? I go to the market. Negative will be
I am going to the market.
negative will be hurry up.
Positive.
No, beta, it's a
Negative will
positive
be
sentence. You have to
going.
change into negative. Rohan, yes.
Doesn't I
Yes,
go?
Rohan.
Going.
I do not go to the market. I don't go to the market or I do not go to the market. Negative means not. And that I've told you that the helping verbs are do and does. Do comes with plural, does comes with singular. I is regarded as plural. We never put s or es with I. So I go to the market. I do not go to the market. Do I go to the market? Okay. Yes. Next sentence. Sarah washes clothes. Change it into negative. Sarah washes clothes. Yes. Soon.
Shara does not wash.
Clothes, correct. Good. Sarah does not wash clothes. Sarah is singular, so we have put does. And if I have to make a does,
Does Sarah washes clothes?
wash clothes, because we are putting does na. Does we have put es with does na, so es will not come with wash. Does Sarah wash clothes? Okay. Yes. Again one sentence. Riyan, now you do it. The boy sleeps early.
The boy does not sleep early.
Very good. And interrogative will be take the helping
Interrogative.
verb. Take the helping verb in the start. Take do or does in the start.
Does the boy sleep early?
Very good. Very good, Rayan. The boy does not sleep early. Does the boy sleep early? Very good. Yes, one more sentence, then we will start present continuous sentence. Okay. Now, Momin, you do it. You have made a mistake now. Now, Momin, unmute your mic. Yes. They read newspaper.
They are reading newspaper.
Beta, it's not continuous. Change into negative. I'm continuously telling you we are putting do or does.
They
What
are
to
not reading. They are not reading the newspaper.
They do not read newspaper. Which helping verbs we are using in simple present? Do and does. Slide is in front of you. We are using do and does. We are not talking about continuous. Okay, continuous we have to start. They do not read newspaper. Do they read newspaper? Do one more sentence. Do one more sentence. Ali learns the essay.
Ali did not learn the essay.
Moment, can you see the slide? What are the helping verbs written? What are the helping verbs written in front of you?
Does not. Ali does
Read.
not learn essay.
Yes, Ali does not learn the essay. Does Ali learn the essay? Beta, I'm saying slide is in front of you. I'm repeating it again and again. Okay, we are using do and does. Do and does. Yes, Ahmad Raza. I give you a sentence. Yes, Ahmad, unmute your mic.
Yes.
Ah. The cat drinks milk. The cat drinks milk.
The miss interrogative में change करना है.
Both negative, first negative, and then interrogative.
The cat doesn't
Drink milk. ठीक है?
drink.
Good. And interrogative?
Does the cat drink milk?
Good. Oh. So beta, I'll repeat again. Simple present tense tells about our daily routine, habits, universal truth. We put first form of verb. Okay, in this tense, we add s or es only with a singular subject. The helping verbs are do and does. Drill this thing in your mind. The helping verbs are do and does. Do comes with a plural subject. Does comes with a singular subject. Do with a plural, does with a singular. Okay, Momin? No did. It is not past tense. In present tense, we are going to use do and does. Inshallah, in our next class, I'm going to listen. There will be an oral test. Okay, so please revise all these things.
Excuse me, teacher.
Ji beta.
What is interrogative sentence?
Interrogative. It's how do you pronounce it?
Interrogative.
Interrogative. Interrogative sentences are which end with a question mark. Question sentences. Okay? When there's
Okay.
a question, the questions are called interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences start with a helping verb. Interrogative sentences start with a helping verb. Like, do I know you? Does he learn the essay? Does he complete his work? Do they go to the party? Are you coming? Is she learning? These are all interrogative sentences. ठीक है?
Okay. Okay.
Now, few examples you can see: positive, negative, and question. It means interrogative. These are the three types. You can write any three examples to keep this thing in your mind. Yes, Momin, you can also note down the any three examples. His wife sets the table. Positive, wife is singular, so we will put does. His wife does not set the table. Does his wife set the table? I like fruits. With I, we never put S. I do not like fruits. Do I like fruits? We love flying kites. We is plural. So don't. We
Teacher,
don't
we
love
have to
flying
write-
kites.
Teacher, we have to write these definition in the copy and three examples.
Beta, I'm just asking you to note down these three examples on the rough copy so that you can understand it in a better manner. Okay? That is why I'm asking, not in the neat copy. We love flying kites. We don't love flying kites. Do we love flying kites? My son makes his bed. My son doesn't make his bed. Does my son make his bed? I play chess. I don't play chess. Do I play chess? She feels good. She doesn't feel good. Does she feel good? It wants to eat it. It doesn't want to eat it. Does it want to eat it? They speak English very well. They don't speak English very well. Do they speak English very well? So over here you can see with singular we have put does, and with plural we have put do. And these are the three types of sentences: positive, negative, and interrogative. Question means interrogative. Now the second sentence tense is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense tells about an action which is happening now, at the moment. For example, right now what I'm explaining, the teacher is explaining simple present tense. The students are listening to the teacher. We are noting down the important points. This is the action which is going on at the present moment. At the present moment means at 12:45, okay? So present continuous, whenever we use the word continuous, it means something which is in continuation, which is going on, which is not ended, which is not finished. Okay? It refers to an action that is going on at the time of speaking. You have to note down all these points. Okay, all these things so that you can understand the difference. We put ing with the base verb. Moment, now this is what you were saying. Okay, this is present continuous tense. We are going to put ing with the first form of verb. Like go will become going, come will become coming, make will become making, sleep will become sleeping, hang will become hanging, run will become running, swim will become swimming, and the helping verbs are is, are, am. What are the helping verbs? Is, are, am. In present tense, the helping verbs were do and does. Okay? In present continuous tense, the helping verbs are is, are, am. So remember the difference. I am driving. She is cooking. They are not learning for exams. Are they sleeping? Is she studying? Yes, Nurul Iman? Yes? Yes, beta? Okay.
Okay.
Present continuous tense, negative and interrogative is very easy. For example, look at first sentence. I am driving. Negative, I am not driving. Interrogative, am I driving? She is cooking. She is not cooking. Is she cooking? They are learning. They are not learning. Are they learning? They are sleeping. They are not sleeping. Are they sleeping? She is studying. She is not studying. Is she studying? Okay? Now, what is present continuous tense? You will tell me what is present continuous tense? Raise your hands. Rayan? Yes, Rayan.
It refers to an action that is going on at the time of speaking.
It means at the moment. Now, at the present moment. The action which is going on at the present moment. We put ing with the base verb. What do we put? What do we put?
ing, ing.
The base verb. Okay? Yes, students? For example, go will become going, come will become coming, sleep will become sleeping, help will become helping, choose will become choosing, scream will become screaming. You have to put ing. What are the helping verbs? Yes, Rohan. What are the helping verbs in present continuous tense? Hurry up. What are the helping verbs? Yes.
Is RM.
Is, RM. ठीक है? Is this used with one? R is used with more than one. M is used with I. Okay. Now I'm going to give you a sentence, and one by one all of you. First we'll start with Nurul Iman. Beta, it's important for all the boys to turn on your cameras. Only Momin, Riyan, camera Faisal, you, Umarur Shamsi, Rohan, and Abdul Rahman. Turn on your cameras. Okay? G. Ahmed Raza. I'll give you one sentence. Change it into negative and interrogative. Ahmed Raza, unmute your mic.
Yes.
G. G beta. The gardener is watering the plants.
The the gardener is not watering the plants.
Correct. Interrogative.
Does the gardener is watering the plants?
Beta, we are not using do and does. It's not simple present. It's present continuous. Is the gardener watering the plants? Okay. Now second sentence. Nurul Iman. Yes, Nurul Iman, unmute your mic. Yes. I am running on the road. Ye Noor Fatma Kadoos. I think there's some problem with Nurul Iman's mic. Ye Noor Fatma.
I am not running on the road.
Correct.
Am I
Interrogative.
Am I running on the road?
Good. Correct. Yes, Umar Noor Shamsi.
काफी बड़ा पूरा होगा
They are learning. They are learning. Yes, Umar. They are learning. Ji Umar, they are learning.
You can tell.
Yes, Rayan.
They are not learning. Are they learning?
Good. Very good, Rayan. Okay. Yes, Momin.
Yes, teacher.
I'm listening to the teacher.
I am listening. Are you
Change it
listening to the teacher? Are you
You have-
listening to the teacher?
Beta, I have given you a sentence. First, change it into negative. I am listening to the teacher.
Teacher, I cannot hear you properly.
Why you can't hear me properly?
Teacher, I don't know. The signals are also full.
Umar Noor Shamsi, you tell me. I am listening to the teacher.
Can I?
Yes.
I'm not listening to the teacher. Am I listening to the teacher?
Okay. Am I listening to the teacher? Okay, students. So this is the structure of it. Subject, verb, helping verb, main verb, and the object. I am drawing a picture. He is sleeping. She is sleeping. It is sleeping. You are watching. We are watching. They are watching. Okay. So the helping verbs are is, are, am, and you have to put ing with be. Be means first form of verb. Be means first form of verb, base verb. Okay. Now there's only one exercise. All of you open your books. All of you open your books.
We have 5 minutes only.
Yes, I know. But you can underline the definitions. Okay? First of all, page 101. 101, all of you open your books, page 101. Have you opened page 101?
Yes.
Okay. Now, as you know, present tense tells us what is happening at the moment of speaking, the action or event that occurs when the speaker talks about it. The simple present and the present continuous. First of all, you have to read this box. You don't have to learn it, just for your understanding, which I have already explained to you. So put a tick mark on the box. Simple present and present continuous. I read, we read. I am reading, we are reading. You read, you are reading, you are reading. He, she reads, they read. He is reading, they are reading. Okay, just go through. Now the simple,
Doesn't like
the, the simple present tense. Underline the definition. The definition is not given, only the formula is given, definition which I have told you, and I have asked you to note down in your rough copy. Have you noted down the definition in rough copy?
Yes.
So you have to write the definition in your neat copy as well. Note it down. Write the definition. Note it down. Write the definition in neat copy. Yes.
Past and past continuous.
Beta, first you will write the definition of simple present tense, na, which I have told you. It tells about this definition. I'll show you the slide. This definition. It is used to show daily routine work, habits, and universal truth. We put base verb in this tense with S or ES. This I have asked you to write down. Okay? Then underline. Then
Teacher, we
underline.
have to write the simple present tense definition.
Yes, in your neat copy. The simple present tense is the base form of a verb with S or ES added for the third person singular and other singular nouns. Underline this. Do not write this, just underline this. Okay? Which I have told you. Then you will also write down this. Use of S or ES in your copy. Okay? We put our S or ES with the singular subject and not with the plural subject. I've told you that is why that please note down all these points in your rough copy. You will also write down this. We use the helping verbs do or does in negative and interrogative sentences. Do is used with a plural subject, does is used with a singular subject, and you can give any two or three examples. Okay? Then you will write down this definition of present continuous tense. Now page 103. Page 103. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense. In exercise A, you have to fill in the blanks with the simple present tense. Means the first form of verb, you have to put S or ES only with a singular subject. For example, the first one, the heart. Heart is singular. So you will put S with circulate. The heart circulates blood in the body. The heart circulates blood in the body. G. One by one. Now please speak, okay, when I ask you to speak. Rohan, do the second one.
Yes, teacher.
Romana dashed for 2 hours without taking a break. Place.
Where are you? Page 103, beta.
Wait, 103? Oh, sorry. Filling the blank with simple past tense of words given in the brackets. The Aslam does geography in school. Aslam teaches.
Teaches. Very good, because Aslam is singular. So we have put ES with teach. Teaches geography in school. Number 3. Moment.
I did not like walking in the rain.
Correct. I do not like walking in the rain. I is plural, so we will put like. I do not. Correct. Next, Brian.
Maheen runs faster than anybody else in school.
Correct. Runs. Because Maheen is singular, so we have put S. Number 5th. Umar Noor Shamsi. G. Umar.
Yeah, I think he has some problem in his headphones. He cannot hear us.
Muhammad, turn on your camera. Need to answer. Ahmad. Ahmad, yes.
Yes.
5th and 6th.
Do you read storybooks?
Good. Next.
She takes her dog to the park every evening.
Good. Correct. She is singular, so we have put takes. You is plural, so it will remain read. Okay, good, Ahmad. Noor Fatma Kudus. Yes. I've unmuted you.
I can play the piano.
Good. Number 8. Number 8.
He sleeps during the day and walks at night.
Correct. 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 Yes. Rohan.
Yes,
9.
he sleeps during the day and